So just checking in. I got my keys with me here. And it's room number 1018. So we're gonna 1018. Exactly on this corner. Alright, let's check it out. One person. I got 2 beds. Well, worth it. Okay, so this is gonna be for my things, and then that's where I'll be sleeping. Right, this is the room. You got a telly. You got a drawer exactly in front of the telly with a few. Oh yeah, what's the fridge? See how you open it? Oh yeah, wicked. So you got healthy water. This is tap water. Oh, cool. Okay. Good for you and good for the planet. So you got 2 bottles of water in there. 2 bottles of water in there. Get your coffee machine out here. But I'm more of a tea guy, so beautiful welcoming. Not so whereby you get a 24-hour dining. It's beautiful, really. It doesn't matter what time you arrive. I love this. I love this. And I love this. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Really beautiful. I'm going to quickly drop down my bag. I just got 1 piece. That's how I travel. So there is the view of the hotel. I love this type of material. Wow. I love this. Looks beautiful. What's in there? So you got just your hangers, a few duvet up there, and let's see what we got here. Yeah, safety box and laundry bag. Yeah, I think that's it. So you can drop your bag. I'm going to drop my bag from there to down there. And yeah, guys, you can see the lovely room. Wow, big mirror, which is beautiful. And this is the entrance. Just dropped it down there. So let me see if I can get the loo. And this is the toilet. Wow, big, massive toilet. Oh my God, that is lovely. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. For just about 90 euros a night. This is all you get. See if there's water in there. Yeah. Running water, lovely. Hanging my towels in a bit down there. Yeah, for 90 euros, this is what you get. Close to the airport, by the way. It's like 10 minutes by bus. 10-15 minutes max, which is lovely. And the views, yeah, let's see if we can check out the views. This is the views from where I'm staying. Beautiful skyline, lovely nature, and you got your Tesla charging area down there. So that's where you come from. There's a bus that leaves you down there, and then you come there, get in there, and the reception exactly down under here, which is very convenient. Alright guys, that's it. Oh my days, I love this. This is lovely. So you got your lovely lights under, so you don't have to put on the bigger lights. So you just have this one here, which is lovely. a few details which I like about this area. So you got a standing lamp down there, which is lovely, and I like the floor. The carpet here is lovely, very nice. A good hotel room. I love it. I'll give this an 8 out of 10, really. Well thought of, really close to the airport, Schiphol airport in Amsterdam, and yeah, I really love it. Really worth the 90 euros. Alright guys, catch you on the next one. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most of all, be kind to one another. Peace!